Oh, hey. Flying on in here, huh? Hey, listen, hey everybody. This is Mike with Do-It-Yourself and Fixing It with the Long Bros. I'm in the shop here looking at everything and just looking at these N80 fuel injectors. We have 6 of those. And I was looking around the shop and just seeing what we've got. And we've had a lot of people on, our friends and some of our people online asking us about our build in the shop here and what we've done, and what happened at the end of it was not, it was very anticlimactic, and we were just disappointed as everyone about what happened. And but knowing Joe, what Joe is, he suggested that we rebuild the engine, and at that point in time we had already put a lot of money into it, and not even to mention about, you know, the tens of thousands of dollars that we have put into it already. And we're looking at all the parts and stuff here, and if you remember correct, at one point one of the bearings for the connecting rods was put upside down. And so when we started the engine, if we would have left it, and thank God it wasn't hitting on some of the cylinders, because we took it apart and found out that one of the bearings was upside down, and it would have blew the engine up pretty quickly. So let's just look around here in the shop a little bit, see what we do have in here. And as you can see, like I said, I got the fuel injectors, and the way Joe is, he did not want to do anything that was going to hurt that engine, and he's a perfectionist. And we've had several, well, you saw in the shop in Springfield, Oregon, that we rebored the engine and put it to 10 over instead of 5 over. And the reason we did that was because it's hard to find parts for a 5 over. And so we was going to get the new connecting rods, or the crosshead connecting rods, and we ordered some connecting rods from a company. And when we got them, we looked at them, and Joe just looked at it and went, I don't know about that. And so we measured them, and he found out that they were 8 thousandths out. And we've been ordering parts for a year, pretty much, trying to find these connecting rods, and they are very hard to find. Anyway, we found a company, and so to make a long story short, we've ordered 23 connecting rods, crosshead connecting rods, 23 of them. They are in where Joe, they're with Joe right now, and he found 6 that were within 2 thousandths, and Detroit Diesel will allow 5 thousandths within being for their specs. But Joe found 6 out of the same engine, and he's really happy, and that's probably one of the first times I've seen Joe really happy about anything that this engine has to do with. Anyway, he's a perfectionist. He won't let anybody or anything get in his way of that, and he keeps his I'm just glad that Joe is here with us. Here's the cylinders, the sleeves, and you saw how he was putting those in. Here's a single weight governor, and he's got the double weight governor with him at his shop. There was one of the rods inside of it was froze. He's going to fix that. He's got the, like I say, he's got the crosshead connecting rods, and you can see that all of our parts are here. He's taken everything out again. This is the second time. We've got, well, you just take a look around. We've got that fuel filter, that 382 Davco fuel filter. That was $300 something, I think. And we've got the exhaust manifold. That was $1,600. Everything adds up, and we're gonna have to rebuild this again. So Here's our brand new pistons, turbo pistons. The parts for that, all the gaskets. Slow down. All the gaskets, all the parts. The crank over there. So we are going to rebuild this engine. Joe's going to be here soon. I've talked to him not too long ago. And speak up. So we are going to rebuild it soon. So hang in there. We're going to be happy to get started again. Excited about it. Going to get this thing built up. Regardless if we can afford the diesel or not, we're going to do it. Here we go. Went and bought this brand new battery down there at what's it? Napa. Paid $300 and something for that battery, and we're gonna have to get another one too. So here's what it reads right now: 100%. I guess that is 12. Yep. So thanks for visiting. Thanks for coming to see us. And hey, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Say that you and make some comments and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get all of our videos when they come out. And hopefully we'll be putting out a lot more. Careful that drone there, Steve. Don't hit your car.
Suitcase